How to delete watch history on Netflix. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To delete the watch history on Netflix, there is no direct option. However, you do have the function of hide. For this, you need to open up a web browser in your device. Since the feature is not available within your Netflix app, reach out to your preferred browser. Search for netflix.com and make sure to log in into your account. Select on the profile in which you want to delete, or in this case, hide the watch history on Netflix. So what you can do here is select a profile, then open up the viewing activity for that particular profile. On the watch list, you will have the hide icon, something like this. You need to click on that particular icon to hide the episode or series or the movie that you just watched. After this, you'll be able to hide the certain series from your watch history on Netflix. Please note that it can take up to 24 hours for a hidden title to be removed from all of your devices. And this feature is not available for Netflix Kids profile. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.